Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vocational Door. So today we will be discussing a famous interview problem which is find the difference of two arrays. So in this problem you will be given two zero indexed integer array num1 and num2, and in the output we need to return a list as an answer of size 2 where the first index will be representing the distinct integer in nums1 which is not part of nums2, and the second indexed element will represent the list of distinct integers in nums2 which are not present in nums1. So here we can see here is the nums1 1 2 3, nums2 2 4 6. So our output will be list where first element will be array of, or we can say list of the numbers from the nums1 which are not there in nums2. So we can see 1, we don't have 1 in nums2, so 1 will be there. Then 2, 2 is there, so it will not be there. 3, 3 is not there. So first element will be the list of 1 and 3. Then the second element will become the list of elements which are there in the nums2, but those are not part of nums1. So for the first 2, 2 is there, so it won't be there. For the 4, it is not there in nums1, so 4. Then same goes for the 6. 6 is not present in nums1, so 6 will be here. So the output is list, and this is the first list, this is the second list. So like this we need to calculate, and we will see how to approach this problem. So here I have taken this example where there are two arrays, nums1 is equal to 1 2 3 and nums2 is equal to 2 4 6. As we know, we need to find out the elements of nums1 which are not there in nums2, and same for the nums2, and we need to find the distinct element. So for this, the best data structure will be HashSet, as we need to find the distinct element. So first we will create two sets for both arrays, set1 and set2, and we will copy these values to the set, means 1 2 3 here, and for the set2 this 2 4 6. Now we need to find the values of set1 which are not there in set2. For that, what we can do, we can use remove all method, but we will be needing the original values in the sets to operate same for the set 2. So what we will do, we will create copy of these two sets named as diff1 and diff2. Now after this, what we will do, we will copy the same values, like set1 will be having the nums1 values and diff1 also will be having these set values. Same goes for the set2, we will be having a diff2. Now what we can do, we can see this set and we can remove all values from set 2, and then again same with what we can do, we can take this set and we can remove all values from set 1. So by this way we will be getting our desired result. Same we can see in the pseudocode also. So what we can do, if we see the pseudocode part, here we will be creating two sets which will be empty at initial condition, and then we will copy the values of our arrays to the set. Now we will be creating copies of our sets as diff1 and diff2, and then we will operate as from the diff1 we will remove all the values of set2, and from diff2 we will remove all the values of set1. In this way we will be having these sets as our desired result, but we need to return them in the list format. So now we will see how to do that in the LeetCode. So now we will see how to solve it in the LeetCode. As I said, first we need to create two sets. So we will create them, and we need to have integer here. Okay, so first will be our set1, and we will create HashSet. Similarly, we will create another set named as set2. Now what we need to do, we need to copy our array values into set. So first we will do for the nums1. So int x in nums1, what we need to do, we need to do set1 dot add x. So in this way set1 will be done, Now we need to do same for the set 2. So it was for the nums 1 and now we will do for the nums 2. Let me take a different name just for the differentiation, and here we need to add in the set 2. Now we have two sets and we have copied the values of our arrays into them. Now we need to create the copy arrays, which will be named as diff. So we can call it as diff1 and this is as diff2. So now these two diffs are created. Now we need to copy the values of set1 and set2 respectively. Now our copy sets are also created. Now what we need to do, we need to diff1 dot remove all method, and we will remove all from set2. So it means in diff1 we will take all, but we will remove all the elements of set2. Similarly we will do for the diff2 and we will remove all of set1. So we are done now. Our diff1 and diff2 are having the desired values, but these are set form and we need to return as a list. So what we will do, we will do list dot of. Here we will create new array list. We will copy here diff1 and similarly we will do for diff2. So in this way our code is completed. Let's see if it executes correctly or not. Okay, there are some, okay, there is a wrong spelling of integer. I have by mistake I have put the wrong spelling. Let me correct it. Run it again. So we can see these cases are getting passed successfully. Now we need to submit it. So we can see all the cases are getting passed, 202 cases. So this was all about this problem. If you guys are having any queries, please let me know into the comment section. Till then, keep learning. Happy learning.